What is good, my people? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're going to be installing our DC5 Creations AC tuck kit on the beautiful Civic that I have, that is slowly but surely becoming more of a daily slash street car than it is a race car. If you've been following along that K24 swap build series, and you would know that your boy's finna K-swap, I'm finna K24 swap my Civic. The goal of the Civic is to enter into grid life as a club TR fun haver, because I know damn well I ain't gonna be competitive my first couple of events because you got too much dip on your chip. We're gonna go from 206 horsepower to 240-ish horsepower with this K24A power plant right here, baby girl. But you know what's better than having a little bit more horsepower? AC. I've been so spoiled by the Civic that I realized I will never own a car that does not have AC. I don't care how cool it is. Well, aside from that thing right there, that doesn't have AC. But aside from that, we will never buy a project car that does not have AC, okay? And when it comes to AC kits, who better else on the market than the homie Deivi from DC5 Creations? For all my 8th gen, 9th gen homies, DC5 Creations got you covered. AC tuck kit. I'm not sure if you guys know this or not, but factory AC components on the 8th gen goes over the I think what I'll insert a picture on the screen. That is where the AC lines go. So we're gonna tuck it and run it outside the car near their wheel well. And I know what you guys are probably thinking, bro, that's crazy. Why would you run it? Look, it's gonna be tucked up and bolted onto the shock tower, like the frame, the shock frame. Huh? See, when it comes to me explaining things, you know me, bro. I have public education, you know what I mean? And you know, I did fail the FCAT.
What's the FCAT, Zosh?
But we have everything we need in this kit to install it, and we're gonna go ahead, get the fender removed, and start the process of installing this thing. Let's get it. Step one. All right, bracket is installed. Now it is time to remove these fenders right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Alright, famo, so I think right here is where we're gonna have to drill for the holes, which is a tight spot, but we should be able to do it. There's already a hole there. I'm gonna have to either cut this or bend it. But I think I'm gonna use the heat gun and then just start bending it up. Maybe I don't even have to use the heat gun to heat the metal, because you know, if you heat metal, it'd be easier to maneuver, like operating stuff. So I gotta go ahead and bend or cut this metal out the way. I'm probably gonna bend it so I can keep that structural rigidity. Bend that out the way and then drill the holes here so we can run the lines. I already got one hole drilled right here for my headlight harness that I tucked up here, which might be a bit of a problem when I go to tuck the not tuck, but when I go and yeah, run the AC line. So all in all, we gotta go ahead and get these holes drilled and this moved out the way. I don't think this one gonna work, playboy. I might gotta go ahead and hit it with a Dremel tool or something. Cut slits in there and then hit it with the Dremel so I can cut that out. That might be the easiest way to do it though. Alright, so unfortunately I have to go out for my girlfriend's friend's engagement party, so I won't be able to finish up right now to show you. However, I do have the 2 lines installed right there. Since I have the ABS relocation kit, it was a pain in the ass, so what I recommend doing, if you can, just remove the whole thing from the firewall, bolt up the cold side line first, well, the blue cap, I don't know my AC line, I'm guessing that's cool and that's hot, so the cool line. Bolt that onto the bracket and then bolt the bracket back onto the firewall. For that one, that's easy. Just figure out how you're gonna route it. If you have the ABS relocation kit already installed before you do the AC lines. I should have did the AC lines first before I did the AC relocation kit. It would have made things much easier. But yeah, pretty much I just gotta bolt up everything up here. Just run the lines way up here, connect the other line through the adapter fitting for this one. But we'll do all that obviously, well, in this video, but I gotta do boyfriend duty, so I'm gonna catch y'all when I get back home. Alright, cool. And don't you forget, go to alphainjection.com, find whatever injectors you need for your setup, use discount code Zosh to save 15% off, and enjoy the mother savings, bro. I'm here to help you become an alpha male. Have integrity. Passion breeds quality. Why y'all be putting these bunk ass, eBay ass injectors on your car when you could have something of an alpha like your boy? You feel me? You want a dime piece, don't you? You tired of being home whacking off the pan? Look, fam, allow me to help you. That's how you do an ad. From the last clip, it's been 2 days and I've man, from baby showers to engagement parties, bruh, we've been all over the road, but we're back home. It's time to finish up this AC tuck kit install. Unfortunately, I won't be able to like show you guys where it bolts up to on the AC compressor and things of that nature because, well, obviously
We got no way to do it! Do it!
But anywho, it is pretty much installed. Yesterday when I got back home from my friend's baby shower, huge congrats to my dog Kaylin and Rob won some more. I just went ahead and bolted up the line to the chassis, this one to the chassis, and then this goes right here, tucks up under there. This one right here goes to the front to the condenser. And it's pretty much like this. I know what you guys are probably thinking, man, that's kind of scary, because like what if your tire bottom out and you hit this? And yeah, I understand that, bro. I trust me, I understand that, but it won't happen. I'll make sure it won't happen. My engine harness tucked right here. Well, not my engine harness, my headlight harness over here tucked so you don't run through the engine bay. That's why there's this big ass hole there. And yeah, I got that stuff right there, which I need to actually spray before this starts rusting out. I need to spray some like paint on that. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it for the install of the AC tuck kit. It's not that difficult to do, and like I always try to preach, if I can do it, I know damn well you can do it, fam. Also stopped by the junkyard yesterday to pick up new things. I could have just cleaned mine up, but hey, why not just go to the local junkyard and just pick up some? And that's what I did. And look at that Resto tuner bolt. You see that ice? You see that ice right there? Ice, yeah.
Running through these checks till I pass out. This shorty give me neck till I pass out. I swear to God, all I do is cash out. And if you ain't a hoe, get up on my tripod. I've been selling classes like the 5th grade. Really never made no difference with the shit, man. Judge, I told me flip them packs and